In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and enable dependencies in a Smartsheet project sheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have your project sheet open. You should be in the grid view, where you can see your rows of tasks and the columns for things like task name, start date, end date, and duration. If you're not already on the right sheet, navigate to your list of sheets and open the project sheet you want to work with. Once the sheet is open, move your attention to the top of the grid where the column names are displayed. We're going to add a new column to support dependencies. Hover your mouse over the area at the far right of your existing columns. You'll see an option appear that lets you modify or add columns. Click on the highlighted control there to open the Column Options menu. From this menu, look for the option that allows you to add a new column to your sheet. It might be shown as a plus icon or as a text option like Insert Column depending on your layout, but in this guide, it appears as Add New Column. Click on that. When you click to add a new column, Smartsheet will open a window or sidebar where you can configure that column and other related settings. This is where dependencies come in. Instead of just creating a simple text or date column, we're going to enable the built-in dependency features so your tasks can automatically link together. In this configuration area, find and click on the option labeled Dependencies. This tells Smartsheet that you want to turn on dependencies for this project sheet. When dependencies are enabled, Smartsheet will automatically use columns like start, finish, duration, predecessors, and so on to calculate schedules and adjust dates when one task shifts. After you've selected dependencies, take a moment to glance through any default settings shown, just to make sure they make sense for your project. For most basic setups, the default configuration is fine, and you won't need to change anything else right now. Once you're ready, confirm your choice by clicking on Apply. This saves the changes and turns dependencies on for your sheet. You should now see the necessary dependency-related columns appear, or existing columns will be linked into the dependency logic. From here, you can start entering predecessors for your tasks and let Smartsheet handle the scheduling automatically. That's all you need to do to add and enable dependencies in your Smartsheet project sheet.